Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things crypto. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: unlocking wealth potential through cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, and the potential for wealth creation is off the charts. Let's dive right in and explore how you can tap into this incredible opportunity. Firstly, cryptocurrencies offer unparalleled growth potential. Just look at Bitcoin, the pioneer of the crypto market. In just over a decade, it has soared in value, making early investors staggering profits. Imagine what the future holds for other promising digital assets. Secondly, diversification is the name of the game. Adding cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio allows you to spread your risk and potentially boost your returns. It's like having a new asset class that operates independently from traditional markets. Thirdly, accessibility is a game changer. Unlike traditional financial systems that come with barriers to entry, cryptocurrencies are open to anyone with an internet connection. Whether you're a tech-savvy investor or a newcomer, you can participate in this financial revolution. Lastly, cryptocurrencies are at the forefront of innovation and disruption. The underlying technology, blockchain, has the power to transform industries, from finance to supply chains. By investing in innovative crypto projects, you become a part of this revolution and stand to reap the rewards. But remember, with great potential comes great responsibility. Educate yourself, stay informed about market trends, and approach crypto investing with a cautious mindset. It's crucial to do your own research and make well-informed decisions. That wraps up our discussion on unlocking wealth potential through cryptocurrencies. It's an exciting time to be part of this digital revolution, and the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest insights and strategies for navigating the crypto market successfully. Remember, the world of crypto is full of opportunities waiting to be seized. So, let's embark on this journey together and unlock the wealth potential that crypto has to offer.